It's with a big number 1. His name is Lincoln Beckford. I love that hat.
All right, and Kinsley Hawkins. Happy birthday with love from Mom, Dad, Sissy, and Bubba. Little Kinsley is turning 1 this year.
She's going to be an absolute handful. There's something that says that has innocence about that look.
Because you know what she's about to do as soon as this picture is taken? She's about to take that basket of toys and flip it over.
Yes, that's what it looks like. But here's the thing. Because of that look on her face, because of that look, you can't get mad at her either.
Oh, no. She's a sweetie. Let's see, Briar Thornton celebrating birthday number 4 this year. I'll give you a thumbs up, Briar, in Thayer, Kansas.
In Pittsburgh, Amante Johnson with a big 7th birthday. And Amante, I want you to know that this specifically comes with a happy birthday from your grandmother. Have a great day, kiddo.
Aw, Monte, getting already 7 years old. That's so hard to believe. Happy birthday, Monte. Boston Malika is turning 11 years old this year. Wow. Happy birthday, Boston.
Driver's license time. What?
You get a license to drive a boat.
What?
That is a huge catch.
Blake, I will drive you if you can take me to where you caught that thing. Holy cow.
Isn't that a beauty?
That is awesome. Blake, congratulations on that catch and a very happy 16th birthday. He's in Fort Scott. I guarantee that picture was not taken in Fort Scott. That's tremendous, man. I would have that make sure you frame that thing and put that on your wall. That's great.
Cool.
I'm in the picture. The fish wouldn't fit on my wall. Fish is too big for my house.
That'd be a cool thing to have hanging over your couch. That fish.
I don't think look how big that thing is.
I love it.
The walls would crumble.
Blake, awesome catch there. All right, and happy birthday too. Let's see, Lane Moore is 18 years old this year. Welcome to adulthood in Galena.
Let's go back to Nevada because that's where Skylar Fritz is celebrating the big number 25. We are masked and socially distancing. The birthday coming yesterday, but the love always coming from your mom, Skylar. So a very happy birthday to you.
All right, and Brian Fuller turning. It's
boom, another one.
Was he noodling to catch that?
I think so.
That. Yes.
I think so. That's what I was going to go with.
Yes,
yeah.
I missed that. Somebody needs to take me noodling again.
Well,
Brian Fuller.
And he's even got the headline on. Yeah.
That's cool because that's really cool. All right, Brian is 27 now in Neodesha.
Hey, Brian, you let us know when we're going to fry that thing up. Tanya and I'll be out there in a heartbeat. I promise you that.
I'll help you cook it too.
Savannah Largen, a happy 31st birthday. Miss Savannah, she is celebrating in Stark City.
In Erie, Kansas, Robert Graham celebrating the big 5-0. Who's making Robert vacuum on his birthday?
That's why he's not touching the vacuum. He's like,
I will hold the cord.
It's my birthday. Love that.
Happy birthday, Robert.
We've got a special one down in Miami. That's where Dolores Timms is celebrating her 91st birthday. Miss Dolores, a very happy birthday to you, man, and what a gorgeous cake.
All right. Happy birthday, Miss Dolores. And a happy birthday to Carson Bailey, who's celebrating in Frontenac.
What is up, kiddo? She's not up. She didn't have school today. She's sleeping in. That's a good kid right there.
You can watch it online.
Yeah.
I'll have it posted in a little bit.
She's a tad bit near and dear to the Hayslip household right there. Happy birthday, Carson.
All right, our birthday list goes on.
She's not awake though.
Dennis Seiler celebrating today. Diane Commons in Cherokee, happy birthday. And Vicky Punch turns 67 years old in Neosho.
In Humboldt, Riley Ellis, a happy 26th birthday to Riley. Melody Graham is turning 46 in Erie, and I understand that would be the wife of one Robert Graham.
All right, well, she better not be vacuuming either.
That's what I've got right there. Woody Greenball, a very happy birthday to Woody in Miami.
All right. Mary Harris turning 79 years old this year. Mary is in Chanute, Caitlin Hayes turning 20 in Fort Scott. And finally, we got Jasmine James.
Yeah.
Celebrating number 14 this year in Pittsburgh.
Throw it up for the double J's right there. Happy birthday, Miss Jasmine. Congratulations as well. Miss you guys. Once again, here's where you can send them into a happy birthday and happy anniversaries. And speaking of KOAMNewsNow.com, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. It's really easy to do, and once you do it, you can get special deals from local businesses and be eligible for a prize. Just go to KOAMNewsNow.com, sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.